Hi guys, Brad McKinnon here, welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to look at how I look after my drywall finishing boxes, and it all starts with a good silicone spray. I use the CRC 808 silicone. It's a multi-purpose silicone spray for general lubrication. It's thin, leaves a thin clear odorless film that lubricates, waterproofs and revives whatever you're using it on. So really good, this one. I like to spray it all over the sort of moving parts of my boxes, the wheels and the springs, and just keeps things from seizing up, I guess, when it's all packed away and not in use. Just sort of giving my 12-inch box here just a bit of maintenance before I pack it away. And what I usually do is, because I use the boxes on different days for the different coats, I'll just wait till the final coat goes on and I'll just lubricate all the boxes at once before I pack them away. Also give it a spray where the sort of door opens and shuts there, just to keep that from sort of sticking while it's away, and especially those front bits there, just make sure they're all well lubricated. And most important thing about these sprays is to get one that's good on rubber, because there's a lot of rubber in there as well. Yeah, and also the other thing I do is keep everything tidy in a toolbox there, padded toolbox, nice and safe. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.